Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find the solution about your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the app of Google Meet. Here you will click. As you see here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop. Then you click OK. You will go apps. Here we go to click on Google Meet. After that we click for stop, and here we click storage. You click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.